How to write engaging email subject header lines. Crafting engaging email subject lines is crucial for increasing your email open rates. A compelling subject header line can capture your recipient's attention and encourage them to open your email. So here are a few tips for writing engaging subject headers. Number 1. Keep it concise. Keep your subject header lines short and to the point. Most email clients only display a limited number of characters, and a concise subject header line is more likely to get your message across. Personalisation. Personalise subject headlines by including the recipient's name or other relevant personal information. Use action words. Incorporate action-oriented words that prompt readers to take a specific action, such as discover or learn, get or join. Create a sense of urgency. Encourage recipients to open your email promptly by using phrases like limited time, last chance, or ending soon. Ask a question. Pose a question that piques the curiosity or addresses a problem your recipients might have. For example, struggling with productivity. Highlight the benefits. Clearly communicate the benefits or the value of the email and what it provides. Explain what's in it for the recipient. For instance, unlock exclusive offers. Use emojis sparingly. Whilst emojis can add a touch of personality and humour to your subject header lines, use them sparingly and ensure that they are relevant to your message and your audience. A/B testing. Conduct A/B testing to compare different subject header lines and identify which ones resonate best with your audience. Avoid spammy words. Stay away from words and phrases commonly associated with spam, such as free, guaranteed, or excessive use of exclamation marks. Create curiosity. Spark recipients' curiosity by hinting at what's inside without revealing too much. For example, the secret to ... Segment your audience. Tailor subject header lines to different segments of your audience. What's engaging to one group may not be engaging to another. Use social proof. Mention any notable endorsements, testimonials, or awards that get credibility and add trust to your message. Test length. Experiment with different subject header line lengths. Sometimes a very short or longer subject header line can be more attention grabbing. Incorporate numbers. Numbers can make subject headlines more specific and more tangible. For example, 10 tips for better productivity. Using numbers also helps it stand out. Be clear and honest. Your subject headline should accurately represent the content of your email. Misleading subject headlines can damage your credibility and domain reputation. Ask for feedback. Consider seeking feedback from your target audience. For instance, tell us your thoughts on ... Consider the preview text. Many email clients display a preview snippet along with the subject header line. Ensure that the two work together effectively to encourage opens. Inspire fear of missing out, FOMO. Convey a sense of exclusivity or the idea that something valuable or exciting is happening inside your email. Remember, what works best may vary depending on your target audience and the context of your email. Continuously test and refine your subject header lines to determine what resonates most with your subscribers and adjust your strategies accordingly. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video useful and informative. Please don't hesitate to like and subscribe below and watch some more videos from our channel. Thank you.